Hey there, welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the top 10 ways on how to use Twitter to grow your following and make money. Twitter is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, and it can be an excellent tool for businesses and individuals looking to increase their online presence and generate revenue. It is a powerful social media platform that can help you build your brand, connect with your audience, and even generate revenue. But with over 330 million active users on the platform, it can be tough to stand out and make an impact. In this video, we'll share 10 actionable strategies you can use to grow your following on Twitter and monetize your account. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Twitter to grow your following and monetize your account. So, let's get started. Number 1. Optimize your profile. Your Twitter profile is your chance to make a good first impression, so it's important to optimize it for maximum impact. Make sure your profile picture and header image are high quality and visually appealing, and your bio clearly describes who you are and what your Twitter account is about. Consider including a link to your website or blog, too, so visitors can learn more about you and your work. Number 2. Create engaging content. Twitter is a platform that thrives on engaging content, so focus on creating content that is interesting, informative, and shareable. Share industry news, insights, and tips that are relevant to your target audience, and don't be afraid to inject some personality into your tweets to make them more memorable. Number 3. Use hashtags. Hashtags are an essential tool for getting your tweets seen by a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags that are popular in your industry or niche, so your tweets will appear in search results for those keywords. This can help you reach new followers who are interested in your content. By using relevant and trending hashtags, creating your own branded hashtag, and not overusing them, you can make your tweets more discoverable to other users and attract new followers who are interested in your content. Hashtags are a powerful tool for growing your following on Twitter and can help you reach new audiences and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Number 4. Participate in Twitter chats. Twitter chats are an excellent way to connect with others in your industry and grow your following. Look for relevant chats and participate regularly, sharing your insights and engaging with others' tweets. This can help you build relationships with other Twitter users and gain more visibility for your account. Number 5. Engage with your followers is a critical part of building a following on Twitter. Respond to their tweets, retweet their content, and ask them questions to keep the conversation going. This can help you build stronger relationships with your followers and keep them engaged with your account over the long term. Number 6. Use Twitter ads. Twitter ads can be a powerful way to reach new followers and promote your account. You can target specific audiences based on their interests, location, and other demographics, so your ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in your content. This can help you grow your following more quickly and effectively. Using Twitter ads can help you grow your following more quickly and reach new audiences who may not have discovered your account otherwise. By targeting specific audiences and using engaging ad formats, you can attract new followers who are interested in your content and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Number 7. Collaborate with others. Collaboration is a great way to build relationships with other Twitter users and gain more exposure for your account. Look for opportunities to collaborate with other users in your industry, such as guest tweeting, retweeting each other's content, or working on joint projects. This can help you reach new audiences and attract more followers to your account. Number 8. Use Twitter Analytics. Twitter Analytics provides valuable insights into how your account is performing and what content is resonating with your audience. Use the data to identify which tweets are performing well, what times of day your followers are most active, and other key metrics. This can help you refine your content strategy and make more informed decisions about how to grow your following. Using Twitter Analytics can help you optimize your content strategy and grow your following more effectively. By regularly reviewing your account's performance and making data-driven decisions, you can continue to improve your results on the platform. Number 9. Monetize your account. Once you have a large following on Twitter, you can monetize your account in a variety of ways. This might include promoting sponsored products, creating your own product or courses, offering consulting or coaching services, or running ads on your account. Look for opportunities that align with your niche and that offer value to your audience. However, it's important to approach monetization with authenticity and to only promote products or services that you truly believe in. If you're able to maintain trust and transparency with your followers, you can successfully monetize your account while also providing value to your audience. Number 10. Be consistent. Finally, consistency is key when it comes to growing your following on Twitter. Tweet regularly and consistently, engage with your followers regularly, and stay active on the platform to maintain momentum and attract new followers. This can help you build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a reliable source of valuable content in your niche. By being consistent in your efforts to grow your following on Twitter, you'll build momentum over time and attract new followers who are interested in your content. Consistency also helps to maintain your existing followers and keep them engaged with your account over the long term. By following these tips, you can increase your following on Twitter, build relationships, and potentially generate revenue through sponsored products, creating your own products, or offering services. Remember that building a following takes time and effort, but with consistent effort and engagement, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video on the top 10 ways to use Twitter to grow your following and make money. By optimizing your profile, creating engaging content, using hashtags, participating in Twitter chats, engaging with your followers, using Twitter ads, collaborating with others, using Twitter Analytics, monetizing your account, and being consistent, you can achieve your goals on Twitter. Remember to be patient and persistent in your efforts, and you will see results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on social media marketing. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on making money online.